In this video, we will explore the best ways to monitor your PC temperatures while gaming. Keeping your system cool is crucial to prevent overheating during those intense gaming sessions. First up, let's talk about software tools you can use for temperature monitoring. Popular software options include MSI Afterburner, HW Monitor, and Core Temp. These applications provide real-time data about your system's CPU and GPU temperatures. Now, let's look at hardware solutions for monitoring temperatures. You can install temperature sensors or use a digital readout on your case. Making sure your fans are working properly is also essential to maintain airflow. After installing monitoring tools, create a baseline temperature reading during gameplay. Know what temperatures are normal for your hardware, as this varies per component. If you notice temperatures rising too high, consider cleaning your PC or upgrading cooling systems. Lastly, remember to check your temperatures regularly for the best performance. Thanks for watching. Keep gaming and keep it cool.